Okay, now we try to set up the system manager. After set up the system manager, you're able connect to the instance via the session manager. Okay, the first step, you need to install the SSM Azure into the target instance. By default, it already installed. So the next step is create a system manage profile. So we go to IAM, roles, create a rule. So scroll down under EC2, you will see the EC2 role for AWS System Manager. Next, permission. So this is the policy we will to use. Role name. So we put the manage instance role, create the roles. Okay, this part done. Go back to EC2. Under the server, right click, security, and then modify the IAM rules. Select the rule we created just now, which is manage instance role. Save. Okay. Now we restart the SSM agent. Okay, so you now able connect to the instance via the system manager. Okay, setup done. Thank you.